Hi, this is the HTC U12 Plus and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. First, open the Settings application, then tap to Network and Internet. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, we should click here to the switcher. After the activating of the Wi-Fi option, you'll see here all of the available networks. Just select one from the networks and enter after that password. Then just tap to connect button, wait a second, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here the Wi-Fi icon. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should click to this icon, and to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.